Victor Echo 6XJ Japan. I heard someone just left the bench for a minute here. Victor Echo 6XJ Japan listening.
Yeah, Victor Echo 6 X-Ray Japan. This is November 0 Zulu Hotel Echo. Greg in Kansas, Kilo Sugar, over.
Okay, Greg, was it Zulu Hotel Echo?
Yeah, roger, roger.
Okay, N0 Zulu Hotel Echo from Victor Echo 6XJ Japan. Yeah, thanks, Greg, for coming back to the call. The name here is Tim, Tango Italy Mike, and heard a little bit of AM activity up the band here, and I thought I'd give a shout earlier here, and I'm just on a solid state bright box here, but hopefully it's sounding okay, using a TS990. Haven't really done a lot of AM work with it. Putting out about 375 watts stereo right now, putting it through a close high power solid state amplifier. So, name is Tim, and QTH is just outside of Calgary, a place called Bragg Creek, Alberta. N0ZHE from Victor Echo 6XJ Japan.
Okay, QSL Tim, nice to meet you for the first time here on 10 meter AM. We're using the Fox Tango 1000 Delta and running about 50 watts, 50 watts into a 40 meter wire dipole up at about 30 feet, facing kind of to the about 10 degrees azimuth direction. And yeah, we're pretty new to the AM scene as well. We don't get on too much on AM, but we're starting to like to play around on AM. We've been listening a lot and been trying to jump in when we can.
Oh yeah, well you have to be vigilant on 10 meters, I guess. I've been doing a bit more listening up here myself, and anxious to make some AM contacts. I set up an old-fashioned AM station in the other room here, and next time I hear 10 meters open, I think I'll go and start it up. It's an old 32 V1 Collins, and with an RCA CR88A receiver, and anxious to see if that old transmitter will sound good again. It's had it for quite a few sunspot cycles now. I got it when I was 15 years old, and it was an antique then. So I think I got that in the mid 80s, and it's I think from 1947, serial number 98, I think. So hoping to get that on the air here before the bands go kaput again. Anyways, you're fine on your setup, sounding good. 50 watts is doing great with the 40 meter dipole. Just using an R5 vertical here, nothing fancy. I was hoping to get a beam up this summer, but didn't have a chance. I guess there's always next summer, but now there's snow on the ground is frozen, so antenna projects are put on the back bench there. Anyways, yeah, I see a few signals up and down the band here. Obviously Asia is coming in very good right now, Japan. But I don't imagine it'll last too long. It's starting to get a little dark here, and band will change fairly quickly. It's about minus 16, minus 17 degrees, and snowing. N0ZHE from VE6XJ.
Okay, QSL Jim, VE6XJ N0ZHE. Sounding great on this end. By the way, you're 5 and 9, 59. A little bit of QSB on my end. But we are starting to, the sun has set. Still got a little bit of daylight left, but the sun has set, so the band's not going to hold up too much longer, I don't think. And yeah, we would love to get our hands on some of those old receivers. I really like some of the looks of them, and listen to some of the audio of those receivers. They're pretty nice. But I imagine they're pretty hard to come by. So The weather here has been really nice today. Earlier this week, Monday, we had kind of snow flurries, about all you can really call it. No accumulation, but it has warmed up late this week. Okay, Tim, I won't hold it. Maybe you'll get a good chance to work some DX here on 10 meter AM. We'll turn around and listen. I don't think we got too much more activity here. But again, nice to meet you, and hope we can do it again. Till then, we'll say 73, VE6XJ, N0ZHE.
Yeah, well, that's great. Yeah, the band is changing fairly quickly. I forgot to write down your PH on my log here. Whereabouts are you there, over?
Yeah, we're in Conway Springs, Kansas. It's about 20 miles to the southwest of Wichita. We're southwest of Wichita, Kansas, over.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Conway Springs. I'll have to look it up here when I get on Google Earth. That's awesome. So thanks for that. I think we'll back up a little bit, but I don't imagine it'll hold too much longer there. Yeah, you're getting a little bit of winter down there by the sounds of it, and it seems to have hit here with a vengeance. So, thank you. Thanks for the quick QSO there. I think before band changes here, I'm going to sign off, and I'm going to go load the wood boiler and think about making some dinner. That's great to get on 10 meter AM and hear some activity. Always nice to see there. M0ZHE. Very good evening to you. Victor Echo 6XJ.
73, thank you.